If you got this email, your InkFrog account is closing June 1st. You have about 4 weeks. Here's exactly what's happening and what to do right now. First, the damage you might not know is coming. InkFrog hosted your listing images on their servers. When they shut down, those image URLs die. Every live eBay listing that used InkFrog hosted images will show broken icons the moment June 1st hits. Your buyers will see blank boxes where your product photos and store branding used to be. Second, your multi-channel sync stops. If you're selling on eBay and Shopify or Amazon at the same time, InkFrog was the thing keeping your inventory numbers aligned. That connection is cut on June 1st. One sale in the wrong place means an oversell and a cancellation. Third, your templates, your saved drafts, your bulk revision rules, gone. InkFrog isn't offering any migration support. They're giving you a CSV export and a refund. We looked at every alternative. The tool that comes out on top across features, reliability, and eBay-specific depth is 3D Sellers. 3D Sellers has been an eBay Silver solution provider since 2010. That's not a badge InkFrog ever earned. Where InkFrog covered the basics, list items, manage templates, 3D Sellers covers the full operation. Bulk listing with AI-powered descriptions, real-time multi-channel inventory sync, automated buyer messages, feedback requests, and best offer rules, a full order management dashboard. These are tools InkFrog never built. This is the 3D Sellers dashboard. Let me show you the parts that directly replace what you're losing. The bulk lister lets you create and manage listings in batches. You can build templates here that work the same way InkFrog's did, but with AI assistance for titles and descriptions. This is the channel sync. Connect eBay, Shopify, and Amazon in one place. When inventory changes on one channel, it updates the others automatically. And this is what InkFrog never had. Automated feedback requests, automated buyer messages, automated best offer rules. Set it once, and it runs in the background while you focus on sourcing. Start your free 7-day trial at 3dsellers.com. No credit card required. If you're coming from InkFrog, submit your last InkFrog invoice, and 3D Sellers will give you a $75 credit toward your account. The migration link is in the description. You have until May 31st to export your InkFrog data, so start this week.